Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add products to cart on your Chewy app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Chewy app. So all you have to do, so we just click here in this product, for example here. Then it's going to take us here in this list. So then all you have to do here, can you choose if you want it for cat or dog. So we click here on dog, for example here. So then it's going to take us to this list here. You just click here in this product, for example here. So then you just switch into open video. You just click here on add to cart. Then it's going to add to cart on your Chewy app here, like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to so in here can you click here on boxes to cart, then it's going to add with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.